Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tag Studio. Let's start the next lecture of MSC Adams View. In previous lecture we will discuss about the how can we create the new model. Now we will discuss if we already have modeling database, so how can we open this model. So here you can see that first you need to open the MSC Adams View, and here you can find the option of existing model. So we just need to select here, then this open existing model window will pop up. So in the first option you can see here is the icon, so we just need to click on it, and then here we have to specify the folder where we have our modeling database, and we can just select this one and select open, and in this way we can open our model. Okay, here you can see that there are different types of files that can be open in MSC Adams View. First one is ADM, second file type is CMD, third file type is .py, that is Python file, and last one is bin. So these four types of files can be opened in the interface of MSC Adams View. Okay, so we just need to select the file and then okay. Let me tell you the other options. How can we? Okay, the first option is this one, and the second option is you just need to click inside and then right click, and here you can find a option browse. So just select this one, and similarly you are on the same page. So here you can select the folder where you have the MSC Adams View file, like bin file. So you can just select from here and then go to OK. Okay, so the third method is that we can also use search method to open our existing model. Okay, so you just need to right click here and then go to search, and under the search bar you have to select this dir samples, or you can select the dir examples. Okay, so we will select this one, sample, and now you can specify the folder where you have your where you save your model, and now you just need to select that folder and then you can open that easily. Okay, so I'm going to choose this option because I'm used to this one. Okay, so there is another option. If we will check this, use the file directory as the working directory, then we don't need to specify the working directory. It will automatically make the default directory where we have saved our model. But if you want to select your directory, then you can specify the working directory. We will discuss in next video or how can we change the working directory. Okay, so in this I just want to discuss about the how can we open the existing model. Okay, just using this method. Now I have to specify the folder. Let's suppose I have my folder is here, and here I have fnew folder, and here I have winch. So this is my file, so I just need to select this one and then go to open, and here you can see that it's automatically specify the directory. Okay, and then just set okay, and now we have to wait. So when you will open the existing model, this is model I was working on it, so you can see that this is the interface of MSC Adams View. I will describe the interface of this MSC Adams View, and we'll discuss about these options in upcoming videos. Let us discuss the last option, that is how can we close this program, how can we exit from this program. For that you can see there is a cross button, so you can just click on it, then it will close the system. But under the file option you can see there is also a exit option, so you can just click on it. You will get this exit and save window pop up. So here you can see that there is a save and then save, then it will save the updates that you made and then save this file and the second option is exit and don't save. So this option will exit your program and don't modify the modification that you made. And the last option is cancel. If you want to work in this window, so you just need to select the cancel. Okay, I don't want to save, so I just select this option, exit and don't save. I hope you like my videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.